In this video, I will introduce the class scheduling module. This is a very large portion of Achieve, and so I will break it down into several videos. Also note, these videos relate to multi-period scheduling. For single period or all-day homeroom scheduling, please watch my other set of videos. In this first video, I will show you all the parts of scheduling and how they work together. Please watch the next few videos for in-depth tutorials of each individual part. All of these sections require hosted administrator privileges to edit. Open the hosted database and double-click your school's logo to enter Basic System Setup. The first step in scheduling is to set up your available grades, right here. When you click the Available Grades link, you will see a listing of all the basic grades with the options to add grades particular to your school at the bottom, right here. This is where you'd add a new grade. Also included in this system are their categories, grading system, attendance system, associated grades and levels and sections. Make sure to scroll to the side because there are more options. Everything you need to completely set up your grades you will need to do here before moving on to the next section. So once I've filled in everything here, I'll click the back arrow to exit this section, and then I'm going to go to a section called Assign Whole Day Classes to assign students to those sections we just created in Available Grades. So back out of Basic System Setup, then go to Admissions Registrar, Admissions Maintenance, and Assign Whole Day Classes. Now you will choose each grade and assign the students in that grade to a section. In my case, all the 6th graders are in Section 6. But as you see, my 7th graders, they can be in 7th or 7A or 7B. So I do that from these drop-downs. I just choose what section I want that student to be in. You can think of the grade as the highest level of grouping of students within an academic year, and sections as a subset within each grade. Note that students must have both a current grade and a current contract listed in their record before they will appear in this Assign Whole Day Classes form. When you put a student in a section, your only options are sections within their assigned grade. And remember that every child needs a section. Once all your students are assigned to sections, you will move on to actual scheduling. Go back into Basic System Setup. Remember, double-click your logo again. This time, click Scheduling over here. This section contains all the components you need for creating and editing your classes, assigning teachers and students to classes, adjusting your bell schedules, and updating your schedule for the next school year. I will go over each major section in more detail in following videos. Once you have everything set up, make sure to run a sync on the portal so that all your information gets updated. Now that you've seen the basic scheduling process, available grades, assigning students to sections, and scheduling, you should be ready to dive into the rest of the tutorials.